Hello, teacher. My name is Janina Romero Contreras, making a presentation about my best friends. My best friends, she is my best friends. Her my name is Marinela Alquerque, and she 23 years old. With me when with a student the complement cycle in the normal school of Cincelejo. She enjoy listening to music. She liked to go out. She very friendly and funny. Marinella has loved musician. She was a leader here. Her father gave her a guitar. Every time we get together and organize a small special to play and the sing. White has sang this also reader. When we were in the cycle, she was the one you presented food and give a laugh and ideas. We just to spend a lot of time together. When it was large, go to the restaurant almost always ordered the symphony. She liked to laugh. Tell me a bit about her life. Since she was the like her, she liked to celebrate her birthday. Now, now that she older, she can celebrate, celebrate. Then with all her friends and family. She also liked to visit her family and their friends. Marinella didn't like dancing before. Now she likes it and knows how to express herself in the best way. She has the ability to participate. Marinella also loves going to the movies on the watching romance movies. She don't dance like horror movies.